Hi guys and welcome back. This is lesson number 4. So what we'll be talking about today is gerunds and infinitives. Let's take a look at gerunds. What are gerunds? A gerund is a verb with ing un verbo con ing. That verb acts as a noun instead of an actual verb. So when the verb has ing, it is not a verb, but it acts as a noun. For example, I like listening to music. The word listening here is a noun. The word like is the verb. When do we use gerunds? We use gerunds after prepositions, and sometimes we use gerunds after some verbs. There are some prepositions here, for example, in, at, for, by, and of. Let's look at one example. He is interested in studying English. He's interested in studying English. The verb in this sentence is interested, and the noun is studying. As I said before, we use gerunds after some verbs and also after some prepositions. Now here are some verbs that we use the gerunds after. For example, like, love, hate, enjoy, avoid. And let's look at an example here. They love dancing. They love dancing. Now this is a gerund because the verb dance has ing. Guys, remember, when you are putting the verb with ing, you have to take away the letter E. Dancing, kital. You have to take away E and put the E in a. The second example says, I love to dance. So when we have the preposition to, we do not use ing. Si no tenemos preposition to, we use ing. They love dancing, or they love to dance. What is an infinitive? Now guys, the difference. What is the difference between gerunds and infinitives? When we use infinitives, we use the word to plus the base verb. For example, she likes to listen to music. The words to listen is the infinitive. I think it is not difficult to learn English. To is important before you put the verb. So in this case, we have to listen and to learn. These are the infinitive words. Okay, quick review. What are GPS shoes designed for? They're designed to guide the wearer. Here is an example of infinitive, to guide. If we're talking about gerunds, we would say guiding. Kital e. We take away the E and we put ing, guiding for the gerund. But with the infinitive, we say to guide. All right, negative gerunds and negative infinitives. We put not before the infinitive form as well as before the gerund form. I decided not to go to the party. Or I decided on not going to the party. So with the not here, with this word, we have gerund and infinitive in the negative form. Guys, remember, I know this topic is challenging, but pay close attention to the examples, keep practicing, and if you have any doubts, send me an email as soon as possible. Guys, important. There are some verbs that you can use both gerunds and infinitives with. For example, like, prefer, start, hate, love. These are verbs that it's okay if you use them in gerund form or infinitive form. For example, John prefers to eat pizza. John prefers eating pizza. Here you see that the word prefer is used with to, and it's also used with the verb ing. So John prefers eating pizza. Here the verb acts as a noun because it has ing. Here are some brands. You can check on them and try to practice the slogan for each. Let's take the first one, Motorola. Hello Moto, hello Moto. Yes, these are just some brands. Just look at them and how would you form a gerund or an infinitive sentence for these? And let me see. Here we have two inventions, a GPS slipper and we have a lead slipper and we also have a GPS shoes. What are they used for? You can say they are used to walk or they are used for walking. Yes? And so, quickly guys, let's practice. What are the gerunds or infinitives in these sentences below? They enjoy going to parties. Is this a gerund form or an infinitive form? We like to dance, gerund or infinitive. I dislike to clean, gerund or infinitive. What do you think? Great job. All right, guys, keep practicing and do not forget to check the deadlines for each activity. Read the instruction carefully. Any doubts, any concerns you have, send me an email and I will respond as soon as possible. Bye for now.